Hello everyone, I will start our class 2, continue from the issue we received from class 1. So we need to create the main project to handle the sharing resource. This is one we want to go. We create a course domain, and this time we use the Maven to create the project. So click next and we finish. So once we finish our initial project, you can see we have the main config XML. And that's the place we want to put our sharing resource configuration. I have pre-typing the file for our sharing resource, so I copy over. Pasting, copy paste the issue. We'll do it again. We still have this XML copy paste issue. That's okay. We're going to solve it later. Then we name our listener is called the course global HTTP listener. We use the port numbers 8080. So this XML error won't show up in the problem console. So we have our Spring Bean definition to create the pool. Now we need to add our dependency. Also, we need to plug in the build one more plugin for the our port. So we copy the build. So we need to use the mule domain as well. Now we copy our dependency. So dependency will, as normal Maven project, will tells you the compiling to plug the dependency library. So we don't need the VM, we remove it. So you can see we have Hickory library, and also have Java Marine client. So the Studio will automatically load this library. So now, if XML has errors, so when you try to start the project, so its running will be fails. So you can see the Studio how it works. So this is two jar file we plugged in. So if you run application with Maven, it's a little slow. So start VM. It's coming. So we'll throw the exception because XML has issue. You can see this is tagged now to close properly. So now we need to go back, fix our XML issue. So that's a Supreme Bean definition. We close properly. Then we have domain. So we didn't close domain. Now we close it. Now we close the tag and then restart again. You can see right now only the main project is open. So we really want to see if we only run the domain, we have to see in the console log message, we can see the database is up, the connection is up, and also HTTP listener is listened to the 80 part. So that's two things we want to make sure. Now you can see the cross domain is up. Let's go check the log upper. You can see the database connection started and start complete. Now we need to find where's our HTTP listener. There we go. So you can see the listener is listened to the part 88. So that means we build our domain module. We close, shut down. We open one of our service. So we select the domain, cross domain. We want to use it in mule project config. Then we go to the flow config. In the mule flow config, we need to change it to HTTP because it's sharing. So you can see it's available now. So cross global HTTP listener available in the service now. So let's see the database connection. So if we check the radio button for the Supreme Beans, you can have a selection. If you click the button test connection, it should show you the successful. There we go. So connection successful. Before we running, we still need to do a little cleanup in XML. So for the database connection, since we use the config from the domain, so we don't need driver name. So we need to remove it. Also, second one is the HTTP listener. So we're going to use the same thing from domain project. So here we cleaned up, we save it. Now we'll be able to run again. So we run domain project again. So we expect to bring up one of our service we have done. Let's see. The start VM always slow a bit. So deploy it. So you can see now the server is available now. So if you look at the Postman, so if we, let's see, make request from Postman, send request, and this is part number issue, so let's change it to 8080, send request again. Now you can see the response come back. So this is the log. Let's turn off and let's open another service for student demo. So I did the same thing for the domain selection and the HTTP. The other one is for console. Then is database connection. Yeah. And you double check the XML. I did the same thing to clean it up. So now let's start again for the run the domain project again. So we're going to expect two services deployed and ready to for the client call. So student demo is up. Now the subject demo is up too. So both services are available now. So let's try it. Yes, subject is there. I try student. And research not found. Yeah. So we run let students. We go back, check our service name. So subject demo. And the other one student demo. Okay, so let's change it subdomain to student demo. Now here it works. So that's for two services running on one domain port number, so localhost 88. So that's the implementation for microservice, multiple server service per domain. The other thing, just to give you a hint to see our log message. So you can see compare the if you only have one start, whereas you have started, you have end to obviously see the message. You will see the log message is more comfortable for start end. So this is some log message. It's very important for the microservice. I will have another class to cover this. Let's go back to our thing again. Repeat domain. We build domain module. We select the domain for the service in the service. Then we look at the flow. We make sure our server resource is really used in each service. So HTTP and database connection. So our task in class 2. So we basically reach our goal. So I will open the next class for you to demo how we're going to document our API. Thank you. See you next time.